Okocha.
So you want to kill me? So Okocha, you want to kill me? What have I done to Okocha? I thought you are my good friend. You are pursuing me with cutlass. So you want to kill me? No. No. Hey. So Okocha, you look at me, a homie John Bosco. You want to kill me? No. No. I will kill you before you kill me. I have my own cutlass. Hey. No. So, Okocha, all my enemy must die before me. Whosoever that said that I will not live to enjoy the fruit of my labor will die. I will stop you before you stop me. You will die. No. I can never forgive my enemy. No, Okocha, you are a dead man today. You are a dead man, Okocha.
John Bosco, what are you doing with cutlass?
When you get to heaven, ask for this question. My good friend. Go.
I don't need anything. I don't need anything. I just try using my check for seeing
you. You are not Okocha.
This is my first time to see you.
You are not Okocha.
What happened?
Okocha wants to kill me.
Talk to me. I'm here for you.
Okocha wants to kill me.
What happened?
He is not happy of my success. I just promotion.
I've never seen you in such an action.
I just get promoted.
Explain to me well.
I just get promoted.
Okay.
So he's not happy. I saw him pursuing him in the dream.
Bosco, my good friend, that should show you that it's not the culture that you're pursuing with the cutlass that is involved.
Tell him, I did not do anything. I just saw him using my check pursuing me. I did not do anything. Tell him, help me to tell him. Ask him, what did I do to him? Ask him, I did not do anything. I just saw him using my check pursuing me. Ask him.
That means there is a fight that first I had ahead of you. It doesn't mean you are the one. Please, calm down. God reveal secrets for you to be aware that there is a battle ahead. For you to pray harder. It doesn't mean that it's Okocha. Please, my good friend. I've never seen you in action before. Please, calm down. What about if you kill him and later find out that he's not the one? What will you do? He's your good friend. Please, my brother, calm down. Bring your cutlass, please. Please, calm down. Emmanuel, calm down.